Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 2051 East Prairie. I'm out here in the stack down here in the basement trying to inspect this line. But the guy was out here, he was running, he had problems with it. And as you see coming down the bottom of the stack, looks like it's collapsed. The line's breaking there on the side. And it's unable to let me pass through. Try this other clean out down here, I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to try if I have part of this stack repaired, and if I got to clean out on this part of the stack here, I'm going to try and go from the cleaner at the bottom here, see what that looks like. See if we can't push through there. So it looks like the line's kind of collapsed here. Too much buildup to get my camera stuck in there. As you see, there's cracking there on the sides. This line has some kind of break going on in it. Definitely going to recommend it to be repaired here at the bottom of the stack. You see, we didn't go very far. It's there, right there at the bottom of the stack. We're not able to pass through. The yard cleanout they have out there, I think it just takes me in the wrong direction. But definitely going to recommend that to be repaired. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so I came back here by the outside in the backyard. There's a little 3-inch clay pipe here with a at 90s over, 90s down, and tees into the sewer line coming out of the building out back out here. And I got my camera ran out about 41 feet. And here I'm coming to a yard clean out, a yard trap. I've located this out in the backyard. I'm going to see if I can't dig it up and see more. Definitely that's the trap there, so that doesn't look too good. It looks like there might be a collapse down in there. Bunch of rocks and all that good stuff. Probably going to even recommend that to be repaired along with the bottom of the stack in the basement and the cast iron, because right there going sweeping out, it's all collapsed right there. So I recommend that to be repaired, and I'm probably going to recommend this trap to be repaired out here also. I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and located where this is at, and there's a buried trap down there. They built some kind of brick walkway around over it. There's a bunch of bricks that were in line, and somebody did that on purpose to make it nice and brick, but ended up being, there's a huge sinkhole creating out there. Just by hand I was poking around, and all of a sudden a big chunk of the yard just started caving in. So it's a massive void out there from this trap being collapsed down here. I'm going to go ahead, pull this back, show you what it looks like, and then we'll go back out there and I'll show you this hole out here. I mean, so far this clay pipe looks to be in decent shape. I didn't see anything bad when I was going in it. Here we are at T. Right here you see it's sweeping over and sweeping back down again. And this is a little 3-inch clay pipe out here. Sweeps over, sweeps down. This is right by the back door here, by the back stairs. We're going to go out here where my white flag is out there. And I'll show you where this hole is and Show you what's going on. We'll be right back. Alright, so I'm out here in the backyard here where this sinkhole is created. As you see, here's a sinkhole. There's the riser pipe there. This hole goes on for a ways. It's as you see, that's all gone right there. If you were to park a car on top of this spot, it'd probably fall in. And here's your trap here, the riser pipe going down into the trap out here. See, it's all offset and broken. So, gonna recommend this to be repaired out here, and the remainder of the line inspected, along with the repair in the cast iron at the bottom of the stack, and the remainder of the cast iron inspected also. So that's what you got. Thank you. Also, yeah, it looks like this line's about 8 feet deep, so alright, thank you.